Hi everyone, I thought I'd sit out here and drink my coffee and listen to these birds. I think everybody's happy this morning that it's a nice day. You can see there's blue skies, just very few clouds. Hope it stays this way today. After all this rain, the garden needs a little sunshine. But when I was doing my devotions, I noticed all the birds were happy. So I thought I'd sit out here and drink my coffee for a while. Let y'all listen. I hadn't been able to sit out in the yard for several days. The other ones I made, I did sitting inside the garage. There it goes. Small plane. Everybody's happy it's nice out today. Being cooped up in the house for 4 or 5 days. I know the garden's happy. Y'all happy over there? Yeah, we're all happy. All right. Let's see what's going on over here. Well, hey there, Adam. You hanging out this morning? Yeah, what choice do I have, buddy? Hey, come on now. I know it's been raining on you too. So be happy it's a nice day. Well, I guess that's the way to look at it. Yeah? All right. Them tomatoes. I could fall back asleep. Sitting back here. Well, I think I'm gonna have to go get some more coffee. Thought I'd end it now. I didn't want to make this too long, but I wanted y'all to enjoy this what I'm seeing this morning. It's so nice. It's not too warm out yet. I don't know what the high is supposed to be today, but it feels good with this breeze. There's one of my friends that's come to look for bugs. Like I showed you the other day, they do this all the time. They either sit on the satellite dishes or this pole right here. And it won't be long before this one will... There she goes, or he, that's a he. There he is. I don't know how close that he would let me get to him. I'd like to get closer. They're not afraid of me, but I don't know what they would do. There's, see, now she's gonna take off. Or he, that was a he. It's way over there in that tree right now. I shouldn't have moved, but most of them, they don't seem concerned by me at all, but they won't let me, walk right up to them. I was just wanting to get a better shot of that one. That's one of the bluebirds. There goes a squirrel. Hey, squirrel. One was standing out here looking at me a little earlier, right when I came out, on its back legs, sitting there looking at me. Like, what are you doing out here in my yard? Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed this. Please press that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. And hit that notification bell so that you get all my videos as soon as they come out. And I will see everybody later today. God bless.